Good evening. I am Dr. Narayan Agarwal. I am a gastroenterologist from Siliguri Sai Hospital. So today we are discussing about gastroesophageal reflux disease. Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a digestive disorder that affects the lower esophageal sphincter, the ring of muscle between the esophagus and stomach. And this gastroesophageal reflux is the return of stomach's content back into the esophagus. In normal digestion, the lower esophageal sphincter opens to allow food to pass into stomach and closes to prevent food and acidic stomach juices from flowing back into the esophagus. So gastroesophageal reflux occurs when the ileus is weak or relaxes inappropriately, allowing the stomach's content to flow up into the esophagus. There are many factors contributing to the GERD. Dietary and lifestyle factors contribute to GERD. Certain food and beverages, including chocolates, peppermint, fried and fatty foods, coffee, alcoholic beverages, may trigger reflux and heartburn. Now coming to the symptoms of the heartburn, there are many symptoms of the gastroesophageal reflux disease. And this heartburn and the chest pain are the main two common symptoms of the GERD. GERD is very common in our country. About 60 million American adults experience heartburn at least once in a month, and about 15 million adults suffer daily from the heartburn, and many pregnant women experience daily heartburn. Coming to the treatment of the GERD, first of all, we should take care of the lifestyle and dietary changes, and we should avoid the food and beverages that can weaken the ileus. And then we have to start the medication treatment, that is the prokinetic and pantoprazole or rabeprazole, that is PPI, proton pump inhibitor. Now coming to the investigations for to diagnose the GERD, the first and foremost investigation is endoscopy, and then upper GI series and esophageal manometry and esophageal pH monitoring. These are the tests. And now coming to the complication of the GERD, esophagitis, Barrett's esophagus and carcinoma esophagus are the main common complications of the GERD. And thank you.